So this one is 50-liter mixer. Let's start with the control panel. This one is the emergency stop, the electric current of the electric heating, the temperature setting. This one is the real temperature. This is the temperature you set. The homogenizer time setting. So for example, if you set this 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, the homogenizer will stop automatically. The mixing, the homogenizer, the heating, the speed adjuster for the mixing. So let's start with testing with machine. Open the mixing and homogenizer. Open the mixing and the speed adjust. Open the homogenizer. At the speed of the homogenizer. For this cover, all can be moved. Two covers. Okay, 关掉。Now close it. It's a very simple machine actually. So I will teach you how to use the heating function. This one is the electric heating rod. Here is the discharge. This one is the electric heating rod. Before you use the heating function, you need to add the water from here, and until the water came out from here, which means the jacket is full of water. So you can use the heating function. So for about the cooling function, it's same. Add the water from the bottom and the water recycle from top for the cooling function. Okay, I think that's all. And one more thing for this mixer, there is a rotation for the homogenizer power. For the motor, when you connect the wires, you need to open the homogenizer, and the rotation here should be anti-clockwise. It will be right. If it's not, you need to change to live wires. Now I will show you the rotation. 看一下均值。Anti-clockwise. Yeah. Okay.